Hi, I'm Emily. I'm 28, and this is the hardest video I've ever recorded. Because for a long time, I watched my dad fall apart slowly, and there was nothing I could do about it. He's 66, a kind man, a strong man, always the one taking care of everyone else. But when his blood sugar got out of control, it changed him. He started forgetting things, sleeping all day. His feet were in constant pain. I saw the man who raised me turn into someone who couldn't even make it to the mailbox without sitting down. I begged him to take care of himself. Doctors kept raising his meds. He kept feeling worse. Then I found Sugar Defender. Honestly, I bought it out of desperation. It was a natural drop formula with ingredients like gymnema, maca root, ginseng, chromium, and African mango extract, all studied for helping with insulin function and healthy glucose levels. I ordered it from the official website, the 3-bottle pack. The first few days, no big changes. But in week 2, he started waking up earlier. He smiled more. He even started walking with me again. By week 4, his numbers were improving, his energy was better, and most of all, I saw him again. The man who joked, who made pancakes on Sundays, who hugged me like he meant it. I can't say Sugar Defender saved his life, but I can say it gave him a second chance. And it gave me my dad back. If someone you love is fighting with high blood sugar, fatigue, neuropathy, or that fog that won't lift, please, just try this. But only get it from the official site. I'll drop the link right below in the description. And do the full treatment, 3 or 6 bottles. It takes time for the body to reset, but it's worth it. Sugar Defender gave my dad hope. And I hope it gives your family the same. Thanks for listening.